What up, me guys and me gyal? So it's Tai Chi here, Nathan, back with another cooking video for you all. This one's kind of funny because it was done like almost a month ago or so. Well, recorded a month ago. So I'm getting it out now, because I've been kind of busy being sick and also playing games, getting back to me, getting back to how I used to do things, and just getting back to my soul of self when it comes to like life in general. Now, hope you guys enjoy this. If you're new, you know what's up. Subscribe to the channel if you like what's going on, cooking, gaming, to communicate with the community. Eventually, I'll have a community. It's fun to communicate. I love to talk with my people. But other than that, just watch through. You'll see. It's with my old phone, so it's not as great of quality. But with that, more will be coming out. I will be doing my best to get more frequently, more out as frequently as possible. Um, as I got a video out this morning because it took forever, I'll be doing my best to get more out. So, with that being said, thank you guys very much. Again, hope you all enjoy. Love you all to death. Thank you for the support, and I'll check y'all later. Have fun. Peace.
What up, my guys and Miguel? It's Tai Chi back with a cooking video. So tonight it is going to be curry mango chicken with rice, onions, and mushrooms. So we have everything we need here. We have we have the marinated chicken. Focus. That has been marinated for a bit since I did my groceries, so at least a week or so. The mushrooms, onions, salt for the rice that is on here because it needs to be done. Let's stop that real quick. And then we have our pot there for the chicken and vegetables, whatever. But yeah, so gonna get it started. Hope you guys saw my last one that I just posted tonight, which is the 27th. Yeah, 27th. So it's Friday. I was hungry. Was doing a stream. Cut it early. Probably gonna end up do more later. But you guys will get this later when I decide to get it out. But anyway, gonna put you down so you guys can watch, see the fun stuff, all the action. But I'm also going to have to make sure to check it because the last time from my last video, as you see, it kind of cut out in the middle or in between because I was not paying attention to it. And as that phone goes, if I don't pay attention to it, it'll stop recording. So yeah, but I can't wait to get a new phone. It'll work a lot better to get these stuff out and also get it to my laptop because the other video that I've been trying to get out before the one is still causing issues. But anyway, if you guys are new and you like what you see, like the channel, subscribe, hit that bell, slap that bell, spatula slap that bell, for more notifications and everything that comes out. Because these are cooking videos, but I do mainly do gaming videos. I am a gamer, so I love to do, but I also am a chef. Mainly personal chef for friends and family who want me to go cook and whoever. Not really getting paid as much as anything right now because nothing is together, but that is why just to get these things out, show you guys cooking. Well, anybody can get any kind of cooking done. Anybody can do it as long as you have that passion and you know what you're doing and can pay attention on it in a so to speak kind of way. So with that, hope you guys enjoy. It's not really too much of a how-to, somewhat, because I just well, I'll show you. I'll just show you after I get these done. Well, not really. I already did that here. Let me see. So not the biggest fan of my phone because keeps cutting out, but let's keep this going. Okay. So I'll show you guys the onions and mushrooms when they're in the pot. Sorry there. When they're in the pot, but other than that, need to get this all stuff done, get it in there, get it seasoned, get it cooking, and get dinner together. Because I'm hungry. I quite hungry. Could not even pay attention to the game or anything when that was going on. So need to eat. That's how that works. So that's how we do it. But as I was saying earlier, other videos will be out. It's just a case of how the phone works for me. If it works in a I'll be there for you kind of, so to speak, kind of way, as I say, or if it'll just be a I hate you and I'm not going to put anything out for you because I don't want to kind of way. And that's how it was. That's how it's been for this. That's how it's been for the steak video. And see, I can't even speak because I'm just hungry. I am starving. I only had a bistro today. Oh, it keeps cutting out because it's an ass. But yeah, here is the mushrooms and onions all cut up. Focus is like horrible. There we go, somewhat better. But yeah, so that's that going in there. The rice is all just about done, just needs to steam soon. I need to cut up the chicken and then get it in there as well, and same with the sauce. I will get the ending product out to you guys and somewhat to the end faction, get it all edited, put it all together. You'll see how it works, but again, I can't just leave my phone sitting there because it just ends for power save mode. Whatever. It's a piece of shit phone. Whatever. Sorry. Anyway, I'm going to get this done and check you guys in a few. Easy. And we're back. So here is the chicken in it. Focus. Somewhat. Whatever. But there's a chicken in it. So we leave this in till the chicken gets cooked. At least till it is fully cooked through. Because, we ain't want no salmonella nothing. Even though it's boneless chicken. But it's a pretty easy process. You cut up your vegetables, whatever vegetables you want in, whatever you're going to make. Put that in first. Make sure you caramelize your onions, mushrooms, whatever you have to put in there. Start your rice or whatever you want to be making on the side with it. So you can get that started and finished between. It's an easy process of cooking. Very easy to do. You do that, have it sit there, have it cook through. Got to put your sauce in afterwards, as you know. Some of the curry and the mango curry V8 sauce. Delicious, delicious. But you got to put some of that in there. Don't mind the kitchen. I live with people, so I don't clean up after people. But yeah, I'm going to have to do my dishes and stuff. And I will show you the end product of how it fully looks. With the rice and the chicken and all of that, how it all looks together, because it's real good. It'll look real nice. Again, not gonna eat for you guys. I ain't doing that. It's weird, but I will show you the end product of in the pots what they look like. Possibly on a plate if I feel like it. Probably not, but yeah. Here it is, finished product, my guys, and looks like Dookie, but it's okay. Cause that's just how like curry makes things look. It really smells fucking amazing and it tastes so good. I wish you guys could taste it. But yeah, there it is. It kind of looks like butter chicken kind of deal, kind of sauce. And I love me some butter chicken too. But yeah, it's that. And then the rice, still over this. But y'all don't need to see it on a plate. Y'all good like this. Again, it's real easy, real quick. Grab whatever you want to cook. If you need to look it up, look it up. But I went to school for this because I'm a real picky eater, as my mother made me go to school. She really sent me to school because she hates my picky ass, and she would rather someone cook for her too. So that's how it works. So hope y'all enjoyed. Hit that like button, Subscribe if you're new, guys. Like, honestly, if you like what's going on from the cooking to the games, as whatever goes on, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell for all the notifications. Let me know what you want to see. Put in that comment. Just say, hey, how you doing? Hi, Nathan. Hi, Taichi. What's up? What's up? You look so good today. But whatever, it's whatever. But honestly, guys, thank you. Love you. Have a good night. Peace out.